Hello, dear learners. I am Dr. Biswajit Bhomik, Deputy Director, IGNOU Regional Centre Kolkata. Today, my discussion is aimed towards the learner of January 2020 session. I will be discussing about the various rules and regulations of the university, the various facets of open and distance learning adapted in Indira Gandhi National Open University. This is an induction program for the newly admitted learners of January 2020 session. Dear learners, let me very briefly talk about IGNOU. As you know, that Indira Gandhi National Open University, that is IGNOU, was established in 1985 by an act of parliament. That is, IGNOU is a central university and the Honorable President of India is the visitor of IGNOU. The degrees, diplomas awarded by Indira Gandhi National Open University is duly recognized by University Grants Commission, that is UGC, and Association of Indian Universities, that is AIU. Now, let me talk about the various aspects of your study. First of all, your identity card. Dear learners, as you have taken admission during January 2020 session through online mode, I believe that you must have downloaded your identity card. This card contains your roll number, that is enrollment number. This I-card is very important because without your IGNOU identity card, you will not be in a position to appear in the examination. And also, while you will be visiting the regional center or study center, you should always carry the IGNOU identity card. Now, with the help of the enrollment number, you will be able to know the details of courses of your program for which you have taken admission. I would like to request you to visit our website, that is ignou.ac.in, then student support, then student zone, then registration details, put your enrollment number and program code, that is MEG, MAH, MPA, MAPC, BAG, CIG, etc. And your details will be displayed on the web page. The details of the courses, your address, everything will be displayed. I would like to request you, please go through the details and note down the courses opted by you under the particular program for which you have taken admission. And this roll number, this enrollment number is your identity in the university. You should always remember this enrollment number correctly, and you should write this enrollment number correctly while appearing in the exam or while writing the assignments. Next point is your study materials. As you know, that due to this COVID-19 pandemic scenario, we are all at home, and due to this lockdown, the university is not in a position to supply the hard copies of the study materials to you. So, you may be worried about your study materials. However, dear learners, the soft copies of study materials are available on our website, that is ignou.ac.in. The link is IGNOU course. Please click IGNOU course. Then the courses for which you have registered, the respective study materials will be available in this link. I would like to request you to download the soft copies of the study materials. Alternatively, you should also download the IGNOU e-content app available in Google Play Store in your mobile phone. In this IGNOU e-content app, you will be able to access the soft copies of the study materials. So, till the situation becomes normal, I would like to request you to download the soft copies of the study materials either from IGNOU course or through IGNOU e-content app. Next aspect is counseling sessions. As you know, that Indira Gandhi National Open University adopts limited face-to-face mode of counseling sessions at the respective study centers. Now, due to this present situation, all the study centers are closed. As a result, the university is not in a position to provide face-to-face mode of counseling session during the weekends. However, the details of the academic counselors who takes the counseling sessions at the study centers, their details are available on our regional center website, that is www.rckolkata.ignou.ac.in or ignoukolkatarc.com. I repeat, the details of the academic counselors who takes counseling sessions at the study centers are available on our regional center website, that is www.rckolkata.ignou.ac.in or ignoukolkatarc.com. The phone number of the respective academic counselors are available in the database. So as per your requirement, you can contact the study center academic counselors and take their help for overcoming your learning difficulties. Now, while going through the study materials, you may have certain doubts or you may have certain questions. So I would request you, as and when you go through the soft copies of the study materials, to note down the questions or difficult part of the materials in a separate notebook or exercise book. And please take up all the difficult parts or your questions with the approved academic counselor. We have already requested the academic counselors to support you. So as and when you come across with any questions or any doubts, please take up those with the academic counselors. They will be helping you. Next important aspect in our system is assignment. What is assignment? Assignment actually is a set of questions. It is an assessment tool. These question papers are available on our university website, that is www.ignou.ac.in. Then link is student support, then download, then link is assignment, then click the respective courses for which you have registered. The question paper of the concerned course will be displayed. Please take a printout or download, simply download in your laptop or mobile device. Now you are ready with the question paper of the assignments. Now with the help of the study materials and also the resources available in the internet, you should answer to the questions. For answering the questions, you can use A4 size paper, either ruled or white. Keep sufficient margin on the left portion of the pages and write the assignments in your own way. I emphasize the point that you should write the assignment in your own way. You can take help of study materials or resources in the internet, which are available in the internet, but you should write the assignments in your own way. You should not just copy the content of the study materials while writing the assignments. Also, you should not copy the answers from your friends. The importance of assignment is that in our system, evaluation is having two parts. That is terminal exam part, which carries 70% weightage, and tutor mark assignments or simple assignments, which carries 30% weightage. So if you write the assignments in your own way, you will be getting good marks, and this will help you in the in obtaining better grades, better percentage. Now, this assignment should be written in your own handwriting, and then for the learners who have taken admission for certificate programs, then BCA, MCA, MBA or MBA Banking Finance, they should scan the assignments from the assignments, and then they should submit it online. The online submission link is available on IGNOU Kolkata RC rckolkata.ac.com or rckolkata.ignou.ac.in. The learners of January 2020 session should download the assignments of January 2020 session. And the learners, as I told you, who have taken admission for certificate programs, BCA, MCA, MBA, MBA Banking Finance, they should submit the assignments online by 30th April. I repeat, the learners who have taken admission for various certificate programs, BCA, MCA, MBA, MBA Banking Finance, they should submit the assignments online by 30th April 2020. The online link for submission of assignment is available on IGNOU Regional Centre website, that is rckolkata.ignou.ac.in or ignoukolkatarc.com. Other learners who have taken admission during January 2020 session for diploma, PG diploma, bachelor and master degree, they should submit the assignments of January 2020 session during September 20 at their respective study center. I repeat, the learners of bachelor degree, master degree, diploma and PG diploma, they should submit the assignments of January 2020 session during September 20 at their respective study center. And while submitting the assignments, please remember that the cover page of the assignment should contain the program code, that is MEG, MAPC, etc., the course code, then the course title, your name, your enrollment number, your detailed address, phone number, email ID. The cover page should contain all these details. Then the certificate programs, then BCA, MCA, MBA and MBA Banking Finance learners, they should submit the assignments online, as I told you, by 30th April 2020, and learners of other programs, that is diploma, PG diploma and bachelor's master degree program, should submit the assignments by hand during September 20 at their respective study center. And I hope that by September we will be able to overcome the present situation. And please remember that without submission of assignments, you will not be able to appear in the examination. Now, next comes the term part. The university conducts term exam twice in a year, that is in the month of June and December. The learners who have taken admission during January 2020 session for various certificate programs, MBA, MBA Banking Finance, BCA and MCA, they are eligible to appear in the forthcoming June term exam. For that, you should submit the assignments by 30th April online, and also you should fill in the online term exam form available on the website, that is ignou.ac.in. Other learners, that is the learners of bachelor degree, master degree, diploma, PG diploma programs, they are eligible to appear in the exam for the first time during December 20. Please remember, the learners who have taken admission during January 2020 session for diploma, PG diploma, bachelor and master degree, they should appear in the exam in the month of December 20, and they should submit the assignments at their respective study center during September 20. Now, after the exam process is over, the university declares the results after 45 days, and for checking the results, you should visit the university website, that is ignou.ac.in. The university also facilitates re-evaluation and photocopy of answer scripts. For that, link will be available on the website, that is ignou.ac.in. Maybe you will be needing to change your address, maybe phone number, and for that we have made specific formats which are available on our Kolkata Regional Centre website, that is www.ignoukolkatarc.com. There are specific formats are available. As and when you need to change your address or mobile number, please use the specific format, download it, then duly fill the same and send the scan copy to our regional center email ID. Our regional center email ID is rckolkata rckolkata@ignoo.ac.in. I repeat, our regional center website is rckolkata@ignoo.ac.in. I request all the learners of January 2020 session to periodically visit our websites. There are three websites. The main website is ignou.ac.in. Then there are two websites for the Kolkata Regional Center, that is rckolkata.ignou.ac.in and ignoukolkatarc.com. I request you to periodically visit the website for various updates. The updated information notices will be uploaded on the website. And dear learners, also to support you academically, we are conducting the counseling sessions through Induction channel, TV channel. It is a free to air channel which is available in various DTH platforms like Tata Sky, Videocon, Airtel. I would like to request you to view the programs available on the Induction. The schedule of Induction is available on our website, that is ignou.ac.in. I would like to request our learners to please visit our website, get the Darshan schedule and view the programs. Also, will be available through Facebook Live. The university, various schools of the university is conducting Facebook Live sessions. I'd like to request you to visit our website and get the link for various Facebook Live sessions. So, dear learners, I hope that you have understood the system of IGNOU, and if you have any administrative or academic queries, you are most welcome to send your questions to rckolkata@ignoo.ac.in. We will be always with you. We will be supporting your endeavor for successfully complete your program. And I would like to request you to download the Arogya Setu app from Google Play Store. This is the app created by Government of India, and this is very useful app for this COVID-19 pandemic scenario. So I'd like to request you to download this Arogya Setu app in your mobile phone and also encourage others to download the same. I wish you all the best. Please be safe at your home, stay at home, and take care of your health and health of your family members. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.